What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a real simple short video, just something I threw together quick on a whim. Doing a little bit of fall cleanup around here at the house, so I've got the lawnmower put away, got the snow plow ready to put on the ATV, and move the ATV around. We're getting the Jeep squared away for winter. This is probably the earliest I've ever had a top on a Jeep since I've owned Jeeps, and actually we had some pretty nasty snow squalls on, what's today? Wednesday. I guess that was Monday. Sunday or Monday we had some really nasty snow squalls, so I figured I'll just put the soft top on and be done with it. While the weather's nice and the sun's warm, the soft top material stretch a lot easier. But anyway, back to the video. Today we're going to be replacing the headlights. It is an entire assembly. It's a bulb assembly. It's not like changing just a little bulb. You got the entire housing. So we went with Sylvania Silver Stars, and just a little bit of an upgrade over the cheap brand, but I really don't care about that because I don't drive the Jeep all that much. But I just want to show you guys how easy it is to change the headlights on a Jeep. So let's do this. All right, real easy to start here. Get yourself a Phillips head screwdriver. I usually use a P1, Phillips 1, and you got 4 Phillips head screws. This black piece is a little trim piece that covers the headlight retaining ring. Okay, the screws are out. This piece comes off. Just set it to the side. Now you see your actual headlight, and then there's a metal ring which again has Phillips head screws, and there should be 4 screws. However, this one's missing one, so I've only got 3. Now before you take the last one out, on the inside of the engine bag, right here's your plug. I don't know how easy you can see it. And you just unplug your bulb, lay that to the side. Here comes the retaining ring. Don't lose your screws. Out comes the entire bulb assembly, just like that. There's your headlight bucket, as they call it. Sometimes they rust out. Real easy to get replacements, and these attach with screws on the sides as well. I think there's 2 or 3 screws in these. Alright, so I misspoke at the beginning of the video. I thought I had gotten Sylvania Silver Stars, however I got Sylvania Extra Vision, and these Jeep Wranglers use the H6054. I assume the H stands for halogen. And I think these are 5 by 7 is the measurement on these lights. I think that's what they come out to, but anyway, so we'll unbox these, we'll get them installed, and it'll be a done deal. So the best thing to do is start with the bottom because they're so much easier to reach. And you just kind of hold this all together and then look underneath. No, thought I had it. This ring is how you kind of ensure that the bulb is straight and centered, and some of it's trial and error. You think it's straight, you stand back and it's not. Alright, before I put my bezel back on, I go ahead and test it. And before I do that, I have some Permatex dielectric grease. This stuff's good for keeping water out of electrical connections. Just put some of this liberally on the prongs on the back of the bulb and then plug it in, and that'll help keep moisture out of there, so you keep a good clean connection. And we hit the switch. Alright guys, well there you have it. One of the easiest things you can do on pretty much any vehicle, change the headlight bulbs. So that's how you do it on a Jeep Wrangler YJ. Hope you found it useful. I know it's not exciting content, but somebody out there might need some help on getting the trim pieces off, and you know, anytime I can help somebody, I absolutely want to try to do that. So I figured this would be a real quick, easy video and a real quick way to just get one out there to help somebody that may need it. So I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're staying healthy during this unprecedented time of pandemic and everything that's going on. So be safe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya. So you're still here, huh? All right, we might as well do a real quick start. Remember, since we got that new carb, this thing starts like a dream. Here we go. Kill switch. Ignition. 3, 2, 1, go. Fires right up, no more smoke.